Hi, you're welcome to Mr. Willis Maths class. In today's class, we'll be converting logarithmic form to index form. We're converting from logarithmic form to index form. So if you are joining my class for the first time, kindly subscribe. When I hit the subscribe button, and make sure you put on the notification icon. Now we have some questions on the board and we are going to solve together. The first question says that log base 2 of 32. We want to change the log base 2 of 32. We want to change to an index form. What log base 2 of 32 simply means that how many times do I have to multiply 2 to get 32? Look at it now. What this simply means, not log base 2 of 32 simply means that how many times do I have to multiply 2 with itself to get 32? Look at it now. It's 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 times 2, that's 32. It means that I will have to multiply 2 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 different places to get what? To get 32. It simply means that log base 2 of 32 means you want to in this index form, you write 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5. That's what it means, 2 raised to power 5. Log base 2 of 32, if you have changed to index form, you have 2 base to power 4. What if the question is written this way, that log base 2 of 32 equals to 5? Change it to index form. What do? It's very simple. What you do is that you pick the base here, you pick the base from the log side, you write it as this, you make sure the base as 2, make use of the same base, then you shift the number 5 to the power level, so it turns to 2 raised to power 5. Can you see that we're still having the same thing? Now if you look at this now, log base 7 of 49, change it to index form. What does log base 7 of 49, what does it stand for? It simply means that how many times do I have to multiply 7 to get 49? 7 times 7 will give us what? 49. It means that 7 raised to power 2 will give us what? 49. If you have the question written this way, that is log base 7 raised to log base 7 of 49 equals to 2. Change to index form. It's as simple as ABC. All you need to do is just pick the base, then you put the 2 at the what? As a exponent or as a power. So 7 raised to power 2 is 49. Now we have the third one. The third is a question there where it says that log base half of 0.125. We want to change to index form. All we need to ask ourselves is that how many times do I have to multiply half the set to get 0.125? And if you don't know, 0.125 is the same thing as 1 over 8. So how many times do I have to multiply 1 over 2 with 1 over 2 to get 1 over 8? 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that will be 1 over 4. Yeah, times 1 over 2, that will be 1 over 8. 1 times 1 times 1, that will be 1. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. That means that we will have to multiply half in 3 places to get what? 0.125. To get 0.125. Now let's have more examples. Let's have more examples. Let's have more example. Now, what if you have log 6216? Change it to index form. It simply means that how many times do I have to multiply 6 to get 216? That will be 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is 216. 6 raised to power 3 will give us what? Will give us 216. Will give us 216. And let's take this question as the last example. We're having log base 9 81 of 81. What does it mean? Change to index first. All it means is that how many times do I have to multiply 9 to get 81? That will be 9 times 9. That will be 9 raised to power 2 to get 81. It's as simple as what? As ABC. So that's how to change from logarithmic form to index form. So thank you for being part of this class. See you in our next class.